Hi guys, in today's video we will look at the structure and synthesis of ATP before looking at its functions, and we will finish with an exam style question.
So ATP structurally can be split up into three parts. We have adenine, which is a nitrogen-containing organic base, and we have ribose, which is a sugar molecule, and it's often represented as a pentagon, which can help you to remember that it's a 5-carbon ring structure. A 5-carbon sugar is always known as a pentose sugar, so you may see it being referred to as that. And this, in the middle here, the sugar acts as a sort of backbone onto which adenine and the phosphate groups are attached. Now, the phosphate groups are simply a chain of 3 phosphates, but crucially, the phosphate groups are negatively charged, all of them, and as you all know, if you've ever tried to put two north poles of a magnet together, opposites don't exactly attract in this case. The fact that there's repulsion between each of the phosphate groups means that these bonds here are unstable. And this in turn means that the activation energy of the reaction that splits up these bonds is quite low, and therefore the bonds are easily broken. Now this has implications that we will go on to in just a second, but I just want to make sure that you're familiar with the different molecules that can actually be made out of these 3-ish components. So it's possible to just find ribose and adenine joined together. In that case, you have adenosine, which actually is what the A in ATP stands for, as ATP stands for adenosine triphosphate. Now that I've told you that, you might start to realise why the other parts are so named. So adenine and ribose, or adenosine and 1-phosphate group, is adenosine monophosphate. And as follows, adenosine with 2 phosphate groups attached is adenosine diphosphate, and adenosine with 3 phosphate groups attached is obviously what we know and love as ATP. Now, when the bonds between the phosphate groups are hydrolysed, they release considerable energy. Now, remember from lots of previous videos that hydrolysis is the addition of water to break a bond, and the particular hydrolysis reaction involving ATP I've written here.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video completely free and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific A-level biology videos, just click the button. Join me today and together let's make A-level biology a walk in the park.